goes, little hope but bigger dreams.
Hey, once my froze, it's me, Gina, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I make my clay mask. I got this recipe off Green Beauty's channel, so definitely check her out. But I will be using 3 clays to make this clay mask. I'll be using bentonite clay, Rasul clay, and Colleen clay. I hope I'm saying that right. Probably not. So the first clay I'm going to use is bentonite clay. Bentonite clay is a great clarifier. It helps draws out the impurities, which is why I really want to use it, because it's going to help detox, reset my hair. So Rasul clay helps cleanse impurities as well, but at the same time it helps exfoliate and condition hair. And then the last clay I'm going to go in is with choline clay, and this is supposed to help strengthen, improve elasticities, and help repair hair damage. And just these 3 combination is just going to have my curls popping and the overall health of my hair. Now, Green Beauty definitely dives into the science of the hair, and so I highly recommend you check out that video. I don't want to educate you guys something that I'm not that educated on, but she definitely talks about how the ions and stuff work, which also plays in how well these products work together. And then I just kept this recipe simple by applying apple cider vinegar as well as water to create my mixture, and then mixing it the consistency that I like before applying it to my hair. So once I've done that, what I'm going to do is section my hair off and work in kind of large sections, not too large. I want to be easily able to spread this product throughout my hair. I'm going to take my spray bottle and I'm going to spray my hair till it's kind of soaking wet, just so that it's easier to apply. Clay can be super hard to maneuver, to be quite honest, and so once I do that, I'm just going to apply it throughout my whole strands and just really make sure that I apply that clay everywhere. I'm also going to make sure that I apply this clay to my scalp. I just want to really cleanse my hair, cleanse my scalp, and just, I don't know, I just need my hair to feel good. I have been lately experiencing a lot of flakage when it comes to products, and a lot of products that are like staple products. So I just really felt like my hair needed a detox, my scalp needed a detox. And I honestly feel like, sometimes these clay masks just do a better job than clarifying shampoos sometimes. So that's why I wanted to do a clay mask. It's been a really long time since I last done a clay mask. I want to say the last clay mask I did was at the beginning of the year. But once I do that, I'm just going to apply this throughout my hair, and just kind of work it in like that. Just apply like I would a deep conditioner and really focus it on my scalp. So I'm going to speed this part up while I finish applying it to my hair.
Walking on fire, trying not to bend my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you. Touching your body, but feeling like I'm all alone. You don't seem to want me, even though you told me so. And baby, I wonder if we should just go separate ways. We could start over, we could start over. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you.
Okay, so this is my hair
after I rinsed out that clay mask, and oh my god, this is literally just what my hair needed. Look at this curl definition. And this is naked hair, no product. This is just after I rinsed out that clay. My curls are popping and my scalp feels good. I definitely needed this. It has been a long time since I've done a clay mask, and I definitely like mixing the 3 clay masks better than just doing bentonite clay. I feel like my hair, bentonite clay to me is very, very drying no matter how much oils I put in it. But I feel like those other clays definitely help with giving me some moisture, and I'm loving the results. Look at all this curls. Oh baby, oh baby, this is good. So I'm gonna step back so I can get a thumbnail. So yeah, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to finish off my wash day routine. Because I did this bentonite clay, I don't feel like I need to shampoo my hair, so I'm just going to go ahead and just jump straight into deep conditioning. But I wanted to share this video with you guys because my hair definitely needed a detox. I felt like a lot of the products that I was using was flaking, even like my staple products, and I just felt like my hair needed a nice reset. My curls needed a nice reset. You guys know I've been doing a little bit more wash and goes than I normally do. So I just felt like my normal clarifying shampoos just wasn't getting my hair clarified like I needed to. So I wanted to go ahead and do a bentonite clay just to kind of reset my curls, and look at them. They're happy I did. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to thumbs it up. I will link Green Beauty's video that I use. I basically followed her instructions and use those clay masks. I will link the products down below in the description box if you're interested in getting them products so that you can do the same clay mask as well. And I will see you guys in my next video.